Welcome to BLUETTI Support. Today we're diving into a solar-powered energy solution. If clean, renewable power is your thing, you're gonna love this. Say hello to the P80 and P150, everything you need in one system. A power station, solar panel, and appliances that work perfectly together. What sets them apart? A lighter, smaller body that's easy to carry, whether you're indoors or heading off-grid. With two capacity options, you get to pick the one that powers your day. Both models look and work exactly the same. The only difference is the panel wattage. Let's unbox and check the accessories. Just a heads up, the solar panel comes in a separate box. If anything's missing, our support team is here to help. You can also pair your unit with optional appliances. No extra setup, just plug in and power up. Let's take the P80 as an example to walk through the details. The unit includes multiple output ports, all clearly labeled and ready to go. And with the control panel, you can make the most of every feature. Right above it, the LCD display keeps you updated at a glance, showing battery status, output power, and more. Got multiple devices to run? No problem. With 6 DC ports, you can power your 4G antenna, phone, radio, lights, and fan simultaneously. No switching, no waiting. Charging is a breeze. Connect the panel and let the sun do the heavy lifting. Thanks to the durable lithium iron phosphate batteries, the system is safe and built to last for up to a decade of daily use. To keep things neat, you can even mount it on the wall with the screws included. Just find a breezy spot and you're set. No grid? No problem. The P80 and P150 are here to keep your life running steady and stress-free.